So in this video, I'm gonna talk about Philippine visa. Unfortunately, it's not online visa. You need to apply visa on the embassy, in the embassy. So for this, I take some notes and I created list that what you need for the Philippine visa. I'm gonna talk about, then I will share my screen and I will show you all the steps. Also, I will give you the form, itinerary form, everything. So first you need to schedule a appointment with the embassy, and for that you need to go to visa.gov.ph, which is official website of Philippines, and then you need to print the generated application that you got from this website. Then you need to print this and bring this to the original one, bring this to the embassy. Then you need to have two photos, 5x5 format, which is American visa photo size as well. So 5x5 with the white background, and then original passport, copy of the passport, the database page where you have your image and all the details about you, and then copy of the this is about the passport, and then original vaccine certificate. They still ask. So I applied Philippine visa in 2023, and in that time they were still asking COVID vaccination paper. So you can print your vaccine paper, or if you have already, you can bring original and copy of that as well. And then flight tickets. So yeah, you need to have a entry and exit tickets. They don't allow to show them basically the boat or another method of living, because Philippines is full of islands, so you can leave or enter Philippines with only two methods. One of them is a flight, one of them is a boat. So they don't allow you to show them a boat ticket, only flight tickets are acceptable. So for that, again, you can book your Onward ticket, which is return ticket, from TiketVisa, and show to the embassy. They will definitely accept it. I'm using this method. I use this method when I apply for the Philippine visa, because I didn't know like when exactly I will leave the Philippines. Maybe I will extend, or maybe I will stay longer. Then you need to print all the hotel reservations. So what does that mean, hotel reservation? Let's say you will apply Philippine visa and they will give you 2 month, right? 2-month visa, and during this 2 months, which cities, which destinations you will visit, you need to create an itinerary, like a short itinerary. I will give you example as well. You can use the same itinerary, of course changing the cities with the hotels, etc, etc. So with this itinerary, you should put like where you will stay, hotel, hostel, whatever it is. So for this, you should print all the hotels that you will stay, all the hotels booking reservation numbers, reservation paper you need to print, and you need to bring to the Philippine embassy. And that reservation papers need to show hotel name, hotel address, I think hotel contact number as well, and your name, last name. So they will highlight it. Okay, you booked like this. And then another most important part is a bank statement, the financial proof. So for this, I printed my company paper, the company bank statement, which is owned by me. But when I bring it there, they say that this is not acceptable because your name, which is my name, is not appearing in the bank statement. I say that I show to the bank app, I show the amount in my bank statement, I mean in my bank. They say no, it's not acceptable because we need to see your name. So I say that okay, let's do like this. I contact with the bank, they give me paper which is showing my name on it. Then I go out and then contact with the bank, then bank give me the paper that my name shows on it. So when you bring the bank statement, which is a last 6 month bank statement, need to be like last 6 months, not the transactions, but like last 6 month receipt, basically the statement. So yeah, when you print this, make sure that your name, if it is for bank, I mean if it is the company bank statement, make sure company name, your company name or the company that you work, and your name, and all the details about you shows on the bank statement. So other way they will decline, they will not accept your visa application. Basically they will say, go make it, come back again. And then that bank statement should have minimum $2,000 inside. So basically your bank account need to have a minimum $2,000 inside, so they will accept it, basically your visa application. Then bank statement and copy of the company registration. So basically if you are a freelancer or maybe like self-employed or company owner, if you're a company owner, you need to print the company registration paper to show them that your name displays there and your company name displays there and the government tax ID, etc., etc. So basically the applying Philippine visa is a little bit horrible experience because you need to print a lot of paper, waste of paper basically. Or if you are employed by the company, which is the easier way, the lady in the embassy, the consulate lady, she told me that the best way is you hired by company, so a company give you paper that you are working for this company. So basically I did the same. I show that my company hired me, so I'm working for them, so they give me visa. I print that paper and show to the Philippine embassy. And then the copy of itinerary plan, proof of lodging visits, various provinces, etc., etc. So basically this itinerary I will give you in the description of the video, and I will also show you this as a screen record, like very short screen record. And then another most important thing is a copy of insurance, basically travel insurance they are accepting. And make sure that when you do travel insurance, make sure that that insurance contains the COVID insurance as well. So because I think right now when I apply from my insurance company that I applied, they give an option that I can apply for insurance for 1 year for $5,000, like they insure me with the $5,000, something like this. And that insurance I check mark that I want COVID insurance as well, so they include this this inside that insurance paper as well. So basically you need to create these papers, and then the travel itinerary I will show in the screen record. So these are the documents and papers that you need to prepare when you apply a Philippine visa. So I just share my screen and I show you, but I have some confusion I will share with you as well. So the first thing first is a visa type. When you apply, you need to apply 9A2 visa type. It depends on the country. The visa fee can be changed. When I apply in 2023 in Jakarta, they told me that I searched on the internet, it was 550-600,000 rupiah, which is like $35-40. But when I go to embassy, they told me it is $72. $70, $2 fee, some fee, I don't know for what. But but they didn't accept any check or any card, only cash with the USD, not even with the rupiah. So I don't know why they charged me $2 extra, but they charged me $72. So basically these are the requirements that you need to prepare the register in the visa portal, which is right now this visa portal is not working. I am not sure why. I think they changed the rule or something else. You can see when I land to this page, even though it's an official website, it's not working. So you need to print the application form that you fill out from here, which is this application form only for the entering to the embassy. If you have a confusion, if you don't know how to do that, I recommend you to contact the embassy or consulate in your country before you go there, so you can book an appointment to go to the Philippine embassy. So you need to prepare 2 photos, white background, and it should be 5x5 format, and the original passport, copy of passport, and it should be the data page, this part, and then original vaccine certificate, copy of vaccine certificate. So this is COVID vaccination actually. Then flight tickets that you can book from the return ticket book from the TiketVisa.com, and then the original bank statement for last 6 months, and of course the minimum balance is required like 2,000 USD to apply visa, and then copy of bank statement itself, like original and then copy as well, and then copy of the company registration if you are company owner, or if you are not owner, if you are just the employee of the company, that proof of the document that you are employed by that company. So then copy of itinerary plan, that I will share that plan with you. Then this copy of the insurance that you need to provide. Make sure when you apply the insurance, travel insurance, you check mark this COVID stuff, COVID insurance stuff as well, so you can keep on the safe side. So this is the itinerary that you need to create. So as you can see, I created like this is tourist name, passport number, travel to, I put the Manila because I fly from Jakarta to Manila. Then place to stay, I put like a hotel that I plan to stay there. Then what is the duration? So basically I put here July, August, October, so 3 months. But when I go to the embassy, they told me we will not give you 3-month visa, we will give you only 2-month visa. But that 2-month is available for, I mean, you can travel during the 3 months. So when I go there, I changed this dates, just keep it 2 months, because they will give you only 2-month visa, not 3-month visa basically. So you can see I created the period of duration 3 months, but actually when I go to the Philippine embassy, they told me that they will not give me 3-month visa, so I need to make my itinerary 2 months. Then later on I changed this itinerary to down to the 2 months, because you can see I created here 13 July until 10 October. So July, August 1 month, August, September 2 months, September, October 3 months. So I cut it off and I make it July until September. So yeah, so you can create some simple itinerary like this, date where you will what is your activity plan, where you will go, which city you will go, and then the contact information, which is your name and your phone number. They prefer WhatsApp number, of course, you can put here. So I want to discuss about this visa issue as well. So basically I search on the internet. When I search this visa.gov.ph, I found this website, okay, visa.gov.ph. So okay, I will be honest, when I land to this page, okay, when I just gonna go log out, I want to show you something. Okay, here I click apply for visa, and then I need to register, sign up. So I just sign in, okay, because I already registered. When I sign in, they took me to the onboarding page. Right now it take me to the individual profile. You can see the URL, but it was something like the page that I should fill out all this information. Okay, I'm gonna show you some stuff that is very interesting for me. So they ask my name, last name, it's okay, the civil status, birthday, the gender, the phone number, etc, etc, etc. Then I scroll down, then they ask me my permanent address. I put okay, my address, and then they ask me to proof of my permanent address, and then I choose card statement, okay. And then when I try to upload here, so of course, yeah, when you get the statement from the bank, they don't give you PNG file or photo format, right? They give you PDF file. Yeah, I just confused because they ask me only the image file. You can see the image file ending with the JPG format. So for this, if you want to do this way, you can use this small PDF. You can search on the Google actually, the PDF to JPG converter, small PDF. I will put this link down to the video as well in the video description, so you can use. So yeah, basically I convert my PDF file to the PNG file, I mean the JPG file, and then upload here. Then I'm gonna go down. Then you can see they ask your permanent address, so you can put, I mean they ask your current address, you can put same as permanent address. So I'm gonna go down. So here they ask my father name, mother name, the passport type, etc, etc. Okay, this is common, and passport photo. And then I'm gonna go down as well. I will show you some extra stuff. So basically they ask my passport second page, but it's optional. If your passport, the first page, it doesn't contain any information. I mean, the first page, it contains some information, and behind that first page, or in the second page, if there's extra information, yeah, you should upload. Maybe some countries have, but my country passport doesn't provide something like this. So, and then they ask me national identification type, like to confirm my ID. You can see I put here I choose national ID, and then I choose identification number. I enter here, and then I upload my national ID card. So I scroll down. Yeah, that is all. And then here there is a employment information. I put software engineer employed by company, blah 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 blah. Yeah, this is, and then I save. I was thinking it is like a visa application, but after I save this, okay, I got this page, okay, just here. I click this visa applications, and then I click new visa application, okay, and then okay, I say okay, proceed. And then when I choose the country here, the weird thing, it's only showing India. I don't understand why. So because I plan to apply, let's say, from for Philippine embassy, I plan to apply from, let's say, Thailand or Indonesia, but it's not available. So only it's available India. I don't know, this is like a really, really original website, or it's a fake website made by Indian developers. I don't know. So there's only available India, and then you can choose only Indian cities. I think this website is only for the Indians. So maybe in the future they will make something new, but as I can see, for the other foreigners who need a visa for Philippines, they can only apply through embassy. Still, this visa website is not working properly. I will even remove my account because I'm not sure like what they will do with my information. So yeah, this is just the example I'm giving you. Maybe when you search on the internet, you will find and you will say that this guy didn't explain us. So I'm just giving you example. When I search, let's say, Thailand, so cannot find. When I search Indonesia, because I apply from Indonesia, right? So there is so only India available. So I don't know. So I'm not in India. I will not continue this process. I will just remove my account. Yeah, that's all. And I'm gonna show you like how the visa look like. So this Philippine visa look like this. You can see. Yeah, that is all. That's all about the Philippine visa. Yeah, that's all. There's nothing to say. Just make sure if you need a visa, contact with the embassy first in your country, or the consulate or embassy that you are. For example, you are in, let's say, Thailand, you want to apply, just contact with them directly with the phone or email them to get an appointment, prepare the documents that I show you in this file, okay, and then go with these documents and you will get your visa done. Yeah, this is all about how to apply Philippine visa. It's short video, I know, but the application process is a little bit the confusing. That's why I want to make this video. Yeah, when you go to Philippines, enjoy from very beautiful beaches, and yeah, drink a lot drink a lot of beer. They have very good Red Horse. They have a very good rum and coke. Try, enjoy life, enjoy from Philippines. Have a nice day.